So like I said, today we are going to learn the second method, substitution method. Let me pick some example, hold on. Okay, so these are my two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. I can solve them using so many different methods. One of them will be the graphical method. Second one would be elimination method. Now, today we are going to do it using substitution method. What does it basically means? It means that we are going to substitute one of the variables by another one. For example, look at the first equation. I have a y over here. What I can do is I can find the value of y in terms of x. So what I mean by that is I will rewrite the first equation. So instead of writing 2x plus 7 is 2x plus y is equal to 7, I will write it as y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Everybody understands what happened here? I just transposed 2x to the other side. So I'll get y is equal to something, and that something will be in terms of the other variable x. Okay. Now you do take this one, y is equal to 7 minus 2x, and put it into the second equation. We say substituting in second equation. What do we get? In place of 4x, I will just write 4x. Here there is a 3y, minus of 3y. In place of y, I'm going to write 7 minus 2x now. Plus 1 is equal to 0. Did everyone understand what happened here so far? Everyone is okay with this? Quickly confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So I just took the first equation, found the value of y in terms of x, and that value I put it here in the second equation. So by doing all that, what have I done actually? You can notice that my second, now this equation does not have any y value over here. It has only x. So if there is only x over there, I can solve it and find the value of x. Let's simplify. So let's say 4x, leave it as it is. Minus 3 into 7 will be minus 21. Everyone understands that? Then minus 3 into minus 2x, it will become plus 6x. Plus 1 is equal to 0. Confirm? Everyone is okay with this step?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then 4x plus 6x will become 10x. And minus 21 and plus 1 will become minus 20. So I can write it as 10x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 by 10. That means x is equal to 2. Okay. Everyone is okay with this so far?
Sir, if that pair of linear equations having infinite solution, then what will happen, sir? Then using substitution method?
That is what I asked you people to check yesterday. Did you people try?
No, sir. That is for elimination method. So here.
Yeah, any method. You can try with all the methods actually. That's what I would ask you today to do. You will try that. You will try
Yes, sir.
equations which has infinite solution also. Some equation which has no solution. That also you will try to solve using this method. And I want you to figure out and see what happens. Okay. So did you people try with elimination method? What happened? Anyone can tell me? Did anyone try that?
So for one solution only I tried.
Okay. So maybe today you people try one of these equations which I gave you yesterday. No, at least one of them will be having no solution, and some of them will be having infinite solution. So pick those two and try solving them using elimination or a substitution method, or maybe use both of them and see what happens. You will tell me tomorrow what happens. Like, okay, I will not solve that for you. You have to try it once at least on your own. Okay, coming back to this again, substitution. What we have done so far, we have found the value of x here. How do I find the value of y now?
Substituting x value.
Yes, you see, I have already found out y is equal to 7 minus 2x, right? So I can just put the value of x over here and we'll get the value of y. Okay. So we know that y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Okay, so now we get our both values. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. That's our solution. Remember, the same problem can also be solved using elimination method. You'll get the same answer. What do you people think? This is easier or elimination was easier?
This is easy.
This is easy, sir.
Yeah. Just find the value of y or x in terms of the other one and put it into the other equation. That's all. Substitution is very easy. Remember, you can use any of the equation to find the value of x or y. Doesn't have to be the first equation always. Okay, can be anything. You can pick the second equation also. Find the value of x or y, whatever you feel like, and put it into the other equation. So I'm going to try to solve it in slow motion. Let's see if anyone can beat me.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Tell me.
That x by 3 would not be changed to the reciprocal form?
X by 3. You mean when
Yes, sir.
when I moved it to this side?
Yes, sir.
No, this is addition, no? Addition means x plus 3 will become minus x by 3. No? X by 3 becomes minus x by 3 here. If it was multiplied like this, x by 3 into y by 2, then if you send it to the other side, it will become x will go down and 3 will go up. Then it will be reciprocal. Is it clear? You understand the difference?
Yes, sir.
So that's what you are asking, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whenever you have addition or subtraction, that time you just transpose it to the to other side, just like any normal. If instead of x by 3, if you had 3x and you had 2y, and here you had 13, what you would have done? You would have just sent 3x to the other side. It will be like 13 minus 3x. No, same thing is happening here. X by 3 going that side, becoming minus of x by 3. What? No one has solved it till now? So if nobody knows how to solve it, then are you following this? I took the second equation and I wrote it as y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6 minus x by 3. And then I made the denominator same to 6, and then I wrote it as 13 minus 2x. Transposing 2 to the other side, it will be written as 2 times of this number. Then you cancel this 2 and 6. And this is what you get y value as. Okay? Everyone is okay with this so far?
Yes, sir.
Then you take this, even though the numbers may look a little complicated, but the process is same, okay? Just you have to do the same process, but you have fractions over here. So you need to be a little careful with the calculations. So this is your first equation, 3x by 2, and you have 5y by 3 minus 2. So what I did is I sent this to the other side because this is negative. So keeping it over here like this will be comparatively cleaner to do this calculation. Okay, that's why I did like this, and I moved this minus 2 to this side. So this is what you have, 3x by 2 plus 2, and on the RHS you have 5y by 3. Now I'm going to put the value of y to whatever we had already found, 13 minus 2x by 3.
Sir, like
Tell me.
I had to reciprocal it. Like, should be reciprocal.
Which one? In this step?
Actually, sir, the 5y how I wrote was 5 into 13 minus 2x by 3 like that, sir. Like
Oh,
twice by 3.
You mean to say you wrote like this, okay. 13 minus 2x by 3, and then you wrote whole thing by 3 like this.
Yes, sir.
So that is same, okay, it doesn't matter. So see, this 3 is in the denominator, no? So you can write it as 5 by 3 over here. And this y, you can write it fully like this. So you don't have to write by 3 and by 3, okay? This 5 by 3, you can write it separately. And then you have a y, no, multiplied by y. That y, you can write it as whatever the number we had. 13 minus 2x by 3. Anyway, it will be same. You will get the same thing.
Yes.
Even if this 3 is in the denominator here, this is a division. So this 3, you will do a reciprocal and you will make it as 1 by 3, no? So try to separate it like this, 5 by 3 separate and y, and then write that whole thing over here like this. Okay, now I multiplied this 5 over here, and actually we could have multiplied 2 also together. 5 2s are 10. That would have been better. Easier to do the calculation also. So let's do that itself, okay? So this is 3 3s are 9. I'm going to send this 9 to the left hand side. So it will be 9 times of 3x minus 4, 3x plus 4. Everyone knows cross multiplication, right? You have to solve problems like this in previous classes. 3 into 3, this is 9. That 9 I'm multiplying to the numerator this side. And this 2 will multiply to the numerator this side. So 2 into 5 will become 10. And 10 times of 13 minus 2x. Tell me, everyone is okay with to this step?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Other people?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
No need to rush. If you need to see this calculation, take a minute and see. Confirm if you understand.
Sir, but I did the opposite, sir.
You did some opposite in the sense?
No, sir. I had substituted 1 into, sir. 5 by 3 is equal to 3.
It doesn't matter. We can do anything. That is our wish, okay? We can do anything.
And I
maybe,
got the answer also, sir. But
yes.
I don't know it is right or no.
Yeah. Let's see. We should get the same answer if both of us are right. Let's see. So this will become 27x plus 36, 130 and 20x, right? This 20x I will set this side, 36 I can bring to the RHS. So can I write it directly? 47x is equal to 94. let me not skip any steps just to make sure everyone is there with me. So let me write this step also. Okay. So after this, what am I doing? Transposing this to the LHS. So 27x plus 20x, and this 36 I'm transposing to the RHS. So it become 130 minus 36. Okay. So that is what I wrote it as. 47x is equal to 94. So what is the x value now? Tell me.
2.
Yes.
2.
Cancel 2 times. Now we know the x value. We can directly put it in the equation here. Let's call this one as the third equation. What was the y value? Tell me. 13 minus 2 times of x, right? By 3. Is that right?
Two into two. No, sir.
Say that again.
So 13 minus 2 into 2, right? While substituting
13 minus 2x. Okay, yeah. What did I write? 2 into
3.
Okay. Okay. X is equal to 2, right? So I have to put x equal to 2. So it will be 2 into 2. Yes, you're right. 13 minus 4 is 9 by 3. Of course, that is. Everyone got it, guys? Same x plus x equal to
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. So you can see which when you solve enough problems, you will know which one to use. Okay, there is. I think if you had used the other one like Hari did.
Too lengthy, sir. Too lengthy.
So how was your calculation? Was it easier than this one or more complicated? How did it work out?
More, ma'am, little, sir. Little.
I'm not able to hear you properly.
Little, sir. Little.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. So that is how we do substitution method. Okay, so let me give you some question. Okay, and this time you have freedom. You can choose whatever method you like. So solve this by whatever method you think will be the best to solve this problem. Elimination or substitution, whichever method you want, you can use it.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, I don't know elimination method, sir.
Elimination method. Oh, okay. Yeah, so you just use the substitution method now for that, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I'll send the video today. You can go through that and then we'll be fine.
Okay, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Which method did you use, Kavya?
Substitution method.
Okay. Try elimination also. Solve the same problem using elimination and see which one you feel is better.
Completed, sir.
Which method, Charan?
Completed, sir.
Substitution methods.
Okay, what about Nitya?
Substitution, sir.
Okay, so you both also try elimination method and see.
Completed, sir.
Pritish, is that you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, which method did you use?
Substitution, sir.
Okay, so everyone is using only substitution as the first choice. See, I will use the elimination method right now. Okay. Hari, that will be a you can just follow along and see if you can figure out that elimination method. Okay. See, when we do elimination method, we take the two equations and see, we try to eliminate one of the variables, right? Which one will be more easy to eliminate, guys?
Why, sir?
Y. There is a minus y already here and there is a y by 2. So if I multiply this thing by 2, this will also become plus y. So minus y and plus y will become 0. So it will be easy to eliminate. So let's do the same thing. We multiply the second equation by 2. Okay. So let me write it down. Let's say this is our first equation. Second equation, we say multiplying second equation by 2. So what will happen to the second equation now? So all the terms we have to multiply by 2. This also, this also, this also, everything. All the terms individually we have to multiply by 2. So this will become 2x by 3 plus 2y by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. It will be only y. So I'm going to write that as directly as y. Okay. Is equal to 6 will also become 6 2s are 12. Let's call this as the third equation. Now I have my first equation which has a minus y and my third equation which has a plus y. So if I add my first equation with the second one, the y is going to get eliminated. So let's do that. Adding 1 and 3. So when I add the first equation with 3, what do? We add the LHS with the LHS, left hand side with this left hand side, and the RHS with the RHS. So y is anyway going to be minus y and plus y will become 0. So I will not write it. I will just write x plus 2x plus y.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
can we multiply 1 by 2 with the first equation, sir?
Yes, of course, you can do that. Anything, doesn't matter, okay? Multiplying this by 2 or you multiply this by 1 by 2, both of them are same. You will get the same answer, I mean. It's similar approach, doesn't matter, okay? Yeah, so this is x plus 2x by 3, and of course, you know, minus y and plus y will become 0. So I'm not going to write it. What about the RHS? What is the RHS? This will be 3, and here it is 12. So 3 plus 12. Let's simplify this one. What will happen? Cross multiplication. 3 into x plus 2x by 3 is equal to 15. So 3x plus 2x becomes 5x, and this 15 into 3, let me just leave it as 15 into 3 itself. And then x will be 15 into 3 by 5. So this will cancel and you get x is equal to 9. Now put this in any one of the equations. I think it will be best to put it in the first equation. It looks the simplest. So x equal to 9. If we put there, what will happen? 9 minus y is equal to 3.
Six, sir.
Yes, 9 minus y is equal to 3. So y I can send to the other side and bring 3 this side. So it will be 9 minus 3 is equal to y, which is nothing but y is equal to 6. Okay. So what do you people think now? All of you who has tried substitution method, what do you think? Substitution method is better for this one, or elimination is better? What do you think?
Substitution is better.
Better? Okay.
Substitution is better, sir.
Yes. We can.
Sir, both are easy.
Yeah, both. There's not much difference. The equation is very simple. So even I feel the same. There is not much difference. But of course, yeah, for some people, it will be one way or the other. Okay. Depends on you, how you like to do calculations. So that is what you need to learn, which suits you more, which one you can do faster.